Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are also fine. Taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about neckline tassel poncho. You can see different styles and different varieties of tassel poncho in this my video. Please see my video at the end because in this my video I will show you the classic collection of neckline tassel poncho. They look very glamorous and beautiful, and you can easily buy it from market and easily make it in your own home by your mind. If you want to see these poncho and crochet and knitting poncho, please see my video at the end. I hope you like all these poncho, and I will tell you how you make fabric tassels in your own home. First fold the fabric strips in half over the ribbon, then take another fabric strips and tie it around the tassel about 2 centimeters 3/4 of an inch from the fold. Tie a double knot and flattens the end of tie down so they merge with the tassel, and that is tassel made. And you can also wear your poncho over a dress to transition your favorite warm weathers, because crochet and knitting tassel poncho dress into the color months. And for a casual outfit, try a t-shirt dress underneath your crochet and knitting poncho, or style your crochet and knitting poncho for work by layering it over a white button up and a pencil skirt. Tassel poncho look like very glamorous. A poncho is an outer garment designed to keep the body warm, and blanket and crochet and knitting poncho, which is sometimes like a shawl or a blouse that you can wear it from your neck, and it has no sleeves. And also some poncho have a sleeve, put your hand through them. And you can difference between the poncho and a sleeveless poncho shawls, such as crochet and knitting shawl is a square or rectangular piece of cloth worn as a covering of a head, neck and shoulder. On the other hand, the crochet and knitting poncho is a simple garments made from a rectangular cloth with a slit in the middle for the head. You like all these poncho, and if you want many more ideas and designing about crochet and knitting tassel poncho, please see my videos on my YouTube channel. And if you want to buy on order, please see the link in my description. Okay viewers, take care and good